I got it. So yeah, as you can see that I was on a main branch, sorry, master branch, and I tried to check the status of that branch, but what is saying that your branch is behind. That means the master branch was behind, एक step पीछे था किससे, by IR sensor by one commit, and for that what I need to do, use git pull, right? मुझे git pull करना पड़ेगा. Pull that means pulling these changes. This changes is done by this branch, right? But I was on the master branch, right? But that's why I'm getting error that I do not have those changes in my system. So what I will do, I'll run this command git pull, right? And it updated all the things, like updating this command. One file changes. Now you can see that on the master branch I can also see the changes that have done. And to verify that, I can run this same command git log. Now instead of that one commit, I can see the both commit here. What the latest commit, I can see that like our senior developer can see that commit has done by in this branch, right? By whatever the owner of this branch, right? So we can see that this branch has changed something, right? At the time, and everything is here, labels also, right? So I think till now this is fine. If you want to, let's say I want to add something more changes here on my master branch, then I can again sorry, what is happening, get status, not yes, you have to save the file before that. Now I can see the untracked file. Now I again the same process, I add dot and a git commit, and what, let's say I can measure that error corrected, right? And I commit and I can get it push, and for that again I have to set the master origin head, that means head branch to the master, right? Now I can see the 3 commits should be there, but I will not see the changes when you check out the branch. Let's say when I will to check out feature / IR sensor, right? But I'm not getting here all these changes. Got it? But I can see all these changes on the master branch. Any doubt, guys, till now? You have to try. This will not the thing that's come into a single day, right? It will need practice, practice for weeks and for months also. How you can make yourself better in the GitHub, or it's not GitHub. GitHub is a platform. Actual the thing that we use is the Git, right? That's called a Git. GitHub is a platform. Just like GitHub, there is also platform GitLab. So those are the platform, and Git is a tool. Hope it's get clear, and I hope you will publish this project on your GitHub account and let me know. Share the I need repository for everyone.